Titiro, look, here comes Tamanui te rā. Mōrena, Mr. Sun. Mōrena, Pāpā Rākau. Kia ora, my name is Kōkā. Here in the forest with me live 5 Patupaiarehe. Let's go and meet them. Time to wake up, Tākaro Tribe. Kia ora, Tākaro Tribe.
Kia ora, Kōkā.
Shall we go and see who has come to visit us today?
Ai! He kuaka! He kuaka!
Aira, e toru, 3 kuaka. Kuaka are migratory birds. Flocks of kuaka arrive here in spring, koanga.
Koanga! Spring!
Kuaka have very long ngutu, beaks.
Ngutu! Beaks!
They use their long ngutu to poke and prod around in soft paru, mud, for their kai.
Paru! Mud!
Aira, they prod around looking for small worms and other things like crabs. Pāpaka they like to eat.
Pāpaka! Crab!
Koe rā, kuaka like to poke around in the paru for kai. And they love to kanikani, dance.
Oh, yay!
Kua rite mai koutou?
Ai!
E tū tamariki mā. Are you ready to kanikani, dance, and waiata? Sing with us?
Me kanikani, me waiata! Yay! Matike, maranga, tutai o moena e hoa mā. Matike, maranga, me tina tatata ki te kori kori tinana. Tuatahi, wirihia o ringa. Tuarua, wirihia o waiwai. Tuatoru, whātoro i te tinana. Tahi, rua, toru kei te rite. Pāpaka peke peke paku paku e. Taika o matino te rawa e. Are whana whiua to i huroa e. Paia! Watutuki i a koe. Matike, maranga. Ko te ao kei te kapu o tō ringa. Matike, maranga. Kia pai tō rā e hoa mā? Matike, maranga!
What is that kuaka has given to you?
Aua!
Tākaro Tribe, that's Pāpā Rākau calling you. I'm sure he will be able to tell you what kuaka gave to you. Haere rā, off you go.
Tamariki mā, noho mai, ki aku kakiaka, whakarongo mai, ki ngā kōrero, o te ao marama. Aue. Tēnā koutou, Tākaro Tribe.
Kia ora, Pāpā Rākau!
Did you enjoy dancing with the kuaka?
Ai rā!
I'm Marika. Marvelous. I see you've brought something along with you. Let's take a closer look.
Ooh! Yay!
Do you know what it is?
Aua! Ba!
It's a kararehe, animal.
Kararehe, animal.
But what kind of kararehe? It's covered in wuru, wool, to keep it mahana, warm.
Wuru, wool.
And it has a special sound for talking.
Ba, ba.
It's a hipi.
Hipi, ba.
The hipi is a very important kararehe. Its wuru, wool, is shorn once a year. The wuru is made into things like kākahu, clothing, and praikete, blankets, to keep us mahana, warm.
Mahana, warm.
I'm Marika. Marvelous. It's time for us to visit some friends.
He whiro. That's my colour. He manawa whiro.
Hipi eat pātiti, grass. That makes their wuru grow. This hipi is being shorn to cut off its wuru so it won't be too hot in the summer. The wuru is made into many things. Kākahu mahana, warm clothes. Praikete mahana, warm blankets, and many other things.
Hippie.
This is the letter He.
Huh.
Shall we learn how to write the letter He?
I.
He. Draw a line straight down each side. Then a line across the middle. Kapai. Let's do it again. Straight down each side, then across the middle. He.
Yay!
I'm Marika. Marvelous. I hear Kōkā calling you. Time for you all to visit Kōkā. See you next time.
Kia ora, Tākaro Tribe.
Kia ora, Kōkā.
What did you learn about today?
Hippie.
He hipi. Let's learn to spell it.
Huh.
Do you think we need a H?
I. Huh.
Do you think we need a Th?
Cow. Ah.
Do you think we need an A?
Cow. E.
Do you think we need an E?
I. Huh.
Do you think we need a P?
I. E.
What about another E?
I.
Koera, well done. That's all the letters we need. Let's all say the word together, and then you can try and spell it. Hipi. What's the first letter of the word hipi?
Hippy. Heh.
Sino pai. Huh. Now try sounding out the word hipi.
Hippy.
That's right. See if you can find the letters for those sounds.
He. He. E. P. K. E.
Did you manage to spell the word hippie?
H-E-P-E. Hippy. Hippy. Yay!
Koiara, well done. I knew you could do it.
The hipi is an important kararehe. Its wuru keeps it warm in the winter. And when it gets warm, its wuru is shorn and made into things that keep us mahana warm. Hipi. It's a hippie.
What a fun day, Tākaro Tribe. Time to say goodnight. Pō Mārie, good night, Tākaro Tribe.
Horoia tō mata, parai he hia o niho.